So hey folks, what are you doing? And I'm back with a new unpacking of Sony portable speaker. I have been like mad behind this speaker because this is my first premium speaker. I was excited by the brand name. I don't know the sound quality. Many of them still love Sony XP12, but I was getting really obsessed with the build quality and the sound, the stage of the Sony. So I ordered this thing without wasting any of time and without thinking any other things. So let's unpack this thing really very quickly. So so this is the Amazon packing which you are getting. This is the bill. I got it for around 4,200 rupees. So yes, this is a small speaker, but it's very expensive speaker. So yes, so this is the thing, and let me keep this invoice outside. It was torn, sorry by the way. Okay, so this is the speaker inside which we are getting. The bubble wrap was quite good. Amazon is taking nice care of this thing. Let me keep this speaker. So my bill just flew away because I was shooting outside. So this is the speaker. On the top of the speaker we are getting the Bluetooth logo, and it claims to be 16 hours of battery life. So really, it is a 5-watt speaker. Many of them call it 13 watt, but no, it is a 5-watt front. Yeah, you can call it top firing speaker or 360 firing speaker, you can say. This thing is having sound diffusion system, as claimed by Sony, that it enhances 360-degree sound on a single speaker. I don't know whether this is true or not, but many of them are impressed by this thing. So okay, so the price mentioned on the box is 5,000 rupees, but we got it for 4,200. Now it would be 3,500 or 3,800, or maybe it must be for 4,000 rupees retailing price on Amazon. Flipkart, I don't know. I ordered from Amazon. Okay, so 16 life battery life, and there's a seal. Let me quickly cut this seal and let's cut inside the box. I just want to have my first look at the speaker. So the speaker is of blue color. There are 4 color option available right now in India. One is blue, black, orange and grey. Now you can't call it grey, it is like a rakhadi color, like greenish grey you can call it. So at top of the box we get a user manual and that premium smell of the box and the speaker. So it's a manual, it is an illustrative manual based on picture. So if you don't want to read the manual, you can watch the picture in instructions, and you can get a look into the speaker or have a hands on the speaker by reading the manual. This is the warranty or the same thing which is written into the thing, but this is pretty long script like manual. You can see it's really very long. Okay, so let's not waste our time, let's get to the speaker. So we get a warranty card also from the seller itself, Sony. So they have given the free token of installation and guide. You can have a look, you can take a screenshot or anything. It's a Sony warranty card and the installation demo module. So just keep it handy and safely. If you messed up with your speaker, this thing would get you out of that thing. Okay, so this is the speaker. We get a charging cable or a portable type C cable for, not for data transfer, but a Sony thing, but this cable is made in China. So this is the speaker wrapped in cloth bag, nylon cloth bag. So let us have the first look fantastic speaker. It is having that mattish feel, like it's not rubberish but it is mattish. Yes, there is a rubber pad below it, and that branding Sony is just enough guys. At down we get 4 vents for bass expansion, and at the top of the thing we get a linear, or you can call it a string or rope or a hand. Guys, let's take a sound test of Sony SRX XB13. I won't waste my time. This is Sony SRX XB13. Let me have a sip of water. Also I will show you how to connect it with a speaker. This is my microphone. I know that you have seen the unboxing of this tiny speaker. Yes, so this is the speaker. This is the strap, carry strap. You can carry it like a mug. It's a very lightweight speaker, professional speaker, expensive speaker. In one tap it just gets on. There's a power on button, Bluetooth button, pay pause button, play pause button, a mic and volume rockers, and a charging cable. Charging cable, as I told you, it's a type C DC 5 volt charging cable. And yes, Aperio Retail Private Limited, the barcodes and everything. So there's also stereo pair button. You can connect 2 of these things to make a stereo effect. So in one tap it just gets on. Like I click this, it just gets on, and there is no startup tune, which is actually very good. Thumbs up Sony for this thing. So it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. I'll click this. So it's Bluetooth pairing mode. I'll keep it over here. I'll turn on my phone, search for Bluetooth on. I'll scan the thing. So yes, there's the name Sony SRX XB13. We'll pair it. So yes, it's connected. So I will play some copyright free songs right now, and I will show you how's the quality. Go to music. Sorry. So I'll play some copyright free songs. So right now it's on 60% volume. Let me increase the volume. So it's the maximum volume. Right now it's in 60% volume. You can see. Increase the volume to maximum. It's vibrating, guys. It's vibrating. at last the final verdict of Sony SRX XB13. So should you buy this thing? Many audiophile lovers would appreciate the work and the engineering behind this speaker. It's not anything new, it's the same speaker since from Sony SRX XB10, 12 and 13 and this 13 one, sorry. So the same technology, the cup hold method in which the driver is above the thing and there's a bass radiator at the bottom of the speaker. Nothing new. To give the final verdict of the speaker, it's really balanced speaker. Yes, as the name suggests, SRX XP extra bass 13. So yes, it is having extra bass. As you saw in the video, I played some copyright free music in which the speaker was tumbling a bit. So yes, there's a bass that low frequency is a little bit high than that of XP12, and in that case XP13 fails to produce more loud. It is loud. You would actually get amazed by the thing. Sony, you know the brand and you know the name, and Sony is known for audio products. I know, you know, everybody knows it. But as compared to XP12, it is a less louder, I would say. It's like if you're having XP12, don't go for XP13. If you're not having XP13 or XP12, then go for XP13. You got it. And there's a 4 color available on Amazon and Flipkart. You can just check out this thing. I am just pretty amazed, and yes, that's what the verdict. The video has been super stretchy, but yes, this is the thing. I was amazed and I just wanted this thing to be placed on YouTube. That's the thing. There's no setup or everything. Stay tuned on my channel. I would be back in 2-3 days again with a new speaker. I just ordered JBL Clip 4. It's on the way, and I just wanted to shoot this video in Hindi, but क्या करे, English आ जाती है बीच में. I am not that professional in English, but it's like okay. So let's hope the next video would be in Hindi. Yes, thank you for watching. Please stay subscribe, and yes, that's it on the video. Bye bye, take care guys, have a good day.